Good morning, folks. So we're here in Hazard, Kentucky this morning, and we're working in this beautiful bathroom for a client. This is actually a flood victim's house that we're redoing. We've been helping redo. We haven't did it all, but we did a lot of it. And this morning she has a few jobs for us. And she's been kind enough to us to let us come in and work when we have a day or two of work here and there, and just to try to help them out. And it helps us out and helps her out too. So really good client, and I'll show you what we got going on this morning, what we're going to try to do. Let me see that camera, Zach. So what our objective is for today is to install this 60-inch vanity and install the toilet. There's the vanity top, faucets. Here's the toilet laying out. We got to hook the P-trap up, the drain for this tile shower, and after that, just get this bathroom completely together. We did quite a bit of work here, but she's also had other contractors and friends and family who's come around and helped her, but it's coming together pretty good. I was just going to show you guys what we're starting off with, and we'll bring you back on in just a minute. So we've already ran into our first issue. We just tried setting this top on, and these two runners will not work. They're going to have to be moved over. And already an issue, but somebody actually donated her this brand new vanity, so we're going to make it work. Man, I hope that was right. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have to try to 90 this hot over and bring it up in the same hole as the cold. And we drilled a 2.5-inch hole in the bottom of the vanity. That way there's plenty of room. So we 90'd that hot over, 90'd it back up, and we're going to run both of them through that 2.5-inch hole. And we drilled our hole in the back for the drain line, which comes out in the wall. And let's put it on there and hopefully it works. So we thought we had everything we needed, and we got us a P-trap in there, and we got our hoses ran through, and that's 1.5-inch traps. And then we got our vanity top put together with her faucets on, and we was getting ready to put her on, and little did I know that's a 1-inch. So we got to try to adapt that down to a 1-inch. So guys, we're knocking it out. We had to take 2 loads to trip, so 2 trips to Lowe's so far, if I could talk. We got Zach over here putting the toilet in. I got to put this front on. We end up having to take this middle drawer out. I wanted to try to save it, but they got this vanity for free, like I said, and so we wanted to use it. Now I just got to hook these up. We got everything else good to go, and the drain will be ready. After that, we got to tidy those hoses up, and we're getting there slowly but surely. We got our backsplash on, countertop glued down, and everything's starting to come together nicely. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to take the drill here, and we'll drill 1 hole and just put 1 screw in this. And then we'll take us a few dots of Lexel, so the screw will be in the top up there. A few dots of Lexel on the bottom, and then we'll space it up off that other one. And that'll bring it out right where it needs to be. Hopefully you can see this here. These doors have got little stoppers where they're actually spaced out just a little from the cabinet. So in order for us to make it look the same and the flat reveal to be the same, we're gonna glue a couple little spacers on the back of that. We'll take and first, we'll set this up here. Excel is great for everything.
Johnathan, somebody wants to bring you something.
Well, what do you got? What? Oh my goodness. Look who's at work today, guys. Daddy have a bite? Mmm. That's good. Bite. Mmm. Thank you, go mommy. It's good when clients you work for is just like family and your kids can stop by and see you. No, I don't want no more, baby. Go take it to mommy. Now if it'll stay there while I put a screw in it, my assistant Zach will hold a little bit of pressure right there. Come over here, Zach. Oh, yeah, you gotta hold the center. Oh, you moved it. And I lost my square bit. Anything? You got it? Mm-hmm. Push up. Guys, so we put this one screw, and once the Lexel sets up, we got that as a spacer. Once that Lexel sets up, she'll be good to go. We got a friend visiting us. Get out of here. Everything else is hooked up. And just gotta tidy those hoses up like I said. Countertop's on. Zach's trying the porta-john out. It's on there and looking good. Tiled shower turned out nice. We gotta go put this P-track and glue it on. It's looking good. So we finished that bathroom up, but I didn't get a outro part of the video, I guess you'd say. So I'm gonna do an outro here in my new service truck, my new old service truck. Bought me a new old service truck, and I think this will be better for what I'm doing. And we did a little work on it already, but sitting in here this evening before we head home, I figured I'd finish this video up. It's been a long day. We've been doing some painting, so hopefully you're going to see some shorts, videos, and stuff we're going to put out about that. And I appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video. It wasn't much, but I thought it may be entertaining to some of you folks. If you would, leave me a comment below. I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you later. God bless.